Yes, Glenn.
Yes, ma'am.
I am starting.
Yeah.
Okay, so rules of binary subtraction is 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Now 0 minus 1. So hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay.
So 0 minus 1. Now see here, wait, I'll pick the cursor. Now 0 minus 1 I cannot do because this is a smaller number, this is a bigger number. Okay, 0 is smaller than 1. So what I can do is, when I had to subtract 0 minus 1, obviously I have to borrow. Okay, so with that, what it becomes? It becomes 10.
1 0.
Okay, so 10 minus 1 is 1. Okay, or you can say 1 0 stands for 2. So here they have said 2 minus 1 is 1. So yes, so just like the previous case, you had this one. 1 plus 1 is 0.
10. 0,
1.
carry and 1.
1. And similarly, here 0 minus 1 means from the previous digit, what you will do, you will borrow 1. Okay.
1.
And then it becomes
0, 1. So 1
10
0.
minus 1, or you can say 10 is 2. No? So 2 minus 1 is 1.
Okay.
See, ideally 0 minus 1 अगर negative sign हटा देते हैं तो it is 1 only. Okay. So minus 1, if I remove the negative sign, आगे ले लेंगे तो it becomes minus 1. Okay, so here it remains as 1, but I have to borrow. I cannot subtract from a smaller number. I have to borrow previous number. So 0 minus 1, remember it is answer is 1 and you are borrowing it from the previous number. Example, then it will be clear. Suppose I give you a question, subtract 1010 from 1100. So you write like this in order 110 from whom I am subtracting, and then I am subtracting 1010. Just write it, then I will one below the other. Okay, so let us start subtracting. Yes, so 0 minus 0 is 0. Now next one was 0 minus 1. I cannot subtract 0 from 1. So what I do? I make it 10 and I borrow from here. So this one becomes 0, like in school how we do. So 10 minus 1 is 1. 0 minus 0 is 0, and again 1 minus 1 is 0. Yes. This is how we do it.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is how you add and subtract in your binary form.
Yeah.
Now, with this, we will go ahead with the topic, that is the ones complement and twos complement of a number. So you understand what is ones complement, what is twos complement, and then we will add and subtract using both ones and so what is ones complement of a number? Suppose I give you a binary number. So ones complement of a binary number is another binary number. So in that, what you do, which a binary number is a strings of ones and zeros. So what you do, you toggle the bit. Means wherever there is a 0, you make it 1. Wherever there is a 1, you make it 0. Okay, so that is ones complement. So ones complement of a binary number, अगर 5 number का एक string है, 5 bits का एक string है. So wherever there is 1, you write 0. Wherever there is 0, you write 1. Like for example, I give you a number 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so ones complement of this number will be 0 के जगह पे I will write 1 के जगह पे I will write
0, 0, 0.
Yes, so this is the ones complement of a number. So write this example. So ones complement is you just toggle the bits, that is ones and zeros. So wherever there is 0, it becomes 1. Wherever there is 1, it becomes 0. So this is the ones complement of a number. Sometimes in exam, they just give you a number and tell that you write down the ones complement, the twos complement. So it becomes very easy. Now what is twos complement? Twos complement means I add 1 to the ones complement. Like suppose I have to find out 2's complement, suppose of the same number. Okay. So 2's complement of the same number. So what I do is I find out 1's complement. So this is already I have found out plus 1. Okay, plus 1 matlab the last bit is 1. So 0 plus 1 becomes 1 and the rest remains the same. So last bit mein addition we always starts from the units place. So this is in the unit place. So 1's complement plus 1. So 1 यहाँ पे add हो जाएगा. 0 plus 1 is 1. The rest 3 bits remains as the same. Okay, so 2's complement is 1's complement plus 1. I give you one example. You solve this. Find the 1's complement of the number and this find out the complement of the same number. So 1's complement is just reverse this bit and 2 complement uske niche plus 1 kar dena. Because see, every time it's not that the number is simple because there might be carry also.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, see the answer. So 1's complement is 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay. To it, if I add 1, so 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0. That carry 1 is over here. And then this is 0.
Again.
See, this is 1's complement. Okay. 0, 0, 1, 1. Uske saath, for 2's complement, you have to add 1, no? So how when I add 1 क्या हो जाएगा 1 plus 1 यहाँ पे add करो नीचे हाँ
1 हो जाएगा
हाँ 1 plus 1 is 0
1 plus 1 is
हाँ then carry 1 okay so 1 plus this again 1 so 0 carry 1 1 plus 0 is 1 and this 0 becomes
0.
So that's why I am telling you whenever you write 2's complement, so 1's complement उसके नीचे यहाँ पे plus डाल के and then यहाँ पे 1 लिखो. So and then you put a dash like how normally we do एक line because otherwise you will misplace that carry.
Yes, ma'am.
Is this clear?
Yeah, just a minute.
Yeah, 0, 0. I'm trying to write. And then you add
1.
Okay, so 1 plus 1 is 0.
Ma'am, actually, I'm not still getting that subtracting the second complement.
Yes.
You have to add both of them.
1's complement is directly this one. For 2's complement, you first find out 1's complement plus 1.
Okay, then 1's complement is 0, 0, 1, 1 plus them with 1.
Huh.
So
see, 1's complement is 0, 0, 1, 1. For the, yes, and for 2's complement, what you do? 1's complement already hai plus 1.
Plus 1. So 1 and 1. That was, okay.
I am trying.
Okay, ma'am, got it. Yeah.
What do you do?
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Oh.
0, 0, 1, 0, yeah.
इसके नीचे बिठाओ 0, 0, 1, 1 plus 1.
Yeah,
Yeah?
Yeah, done, ma'am, yeah.
Okay. Now let us, so you know how to find out ones complement and two's complement.
Yeah.
So let us, you will get some practice also over here. So let us do only arithmetic operation, that is addition and subtraction. So we start with the complement. See, now when I add, we'll add only two numbers. Now when I add two numbers, those two numbers can be positive. Yes, one of the numbers can be positive, one of the number can be a negative number also. Okay, so when I add a negative number to a positive number, actually we are doing subtraction. Yes?
Yeah.
Suppose I give you two numbers and I tell you add those two numbers. Now we have to understand what are those two numbers. So those two numbers can be both positive numbers. Okay, that is one case. One of two numbers might be a negative number. So I'm adding a positive number with a negative number. Now when I say that the second number is a negative number, okay, that second number negative value can be smaller than that positive number. The negative value can be greater than. Because see, if I tell you 5 minus 3, 5 and 3 are two numbers. Okay, so 5, 3, you do 8. Okay, suppose
minus 5
and you have minus 3.
Minus 5.
Okay, so actually you're doing 5 plus of minus 3. So that is 5 minus 3. Okay, now it can happen that I give you minus 5 plus 3. Okay, so that negative number value is more compared to a positive number. So we have to consider all these different cases when you are adding as well as subtracting using the complements form. Okay, so let's see the first case. Okay, so write down this case, addition of a positive number with a negative number. See, positive and positive addition just now you have done.
Yeah.
1010 jo hai. Now suppose that is very simple. So now what I do, write this case properly and understand. We'll go slow. So add a positive number with a negative number when the positive number has a greater magnitude. Means 5 minus 3. जैसे अगर कर रहे हैं 5 minus 3 कर रहे हैं 5 plus of minus 3 कर रहे हैं. So 5 greater than 3. Okay, so what is the first step is initially calculate complement of the given negative number. So here remember you have two numbers to add. One is a positive, second one is a negative number जिसकी value कम है positive number से magnitude. Okay, so which one out of these two is a negative number? You will first calculate the ones complement of the negative number. Now what the ones complement of the negative number, what you will do, that you will add with the positive number. Okay. Now once you add this positive number, there might be a carry. Okay. So carry of 1, या तो 1 ही carry होगा. So that carry you add to the last bit, LSB. So you steps. First, calculate the ones complement of the given negative number, because this sometimes becomes confusing because every operation has many cases. Okay, so calculate the ones complement.
Yes, ma'am.
Then sum up with the positive number. If you are getting a carry, add that carry to the LSB. Now let us see the example. It will be clear. So suppose I tell you add, write down the example, add one using ones complement. Okay, so these are the rules for ones complement. Add 1101 and a negative number I am giving you, 1001. So this is showing that the second number is a negative number. Now you can see 1101. If I convert it into decimal and 1001 means this one is a bigger number compared to the this one. Means the negative number is a smaller in magnitude. So no need for me to worry. I can go ahead with the case which I have studied. So always check ये जो नेगेटिव नंबर का मैग्नीट्यूड है वो इससे ज्यादा है या कम है. यहाँ पे ये दो बिट में 1 1 है एंड यहाँ पे 1 0 है. सो ऑब्वियसली दिस वन इज मोर द नेगेटिव नंबर. सो व्हाट इज माय फर्स्ट स्टेप? आई फाइंड आउट द वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ द नेगेटिव नंबर. सो ये माइनस साइन हटा के One's complement 001 will give you what?
So 0
0
1
1 1
1 0.
0. So this is the ones complement of the negative number. I am just reversing 1 to 0, 0 to 1. So ones complement gives me 0 1 1 0. What is the second step? I add the first number and the complement wala.
Yes, ma'am.
Original number hai 1101. Now you place one below the other, huh? And then you add the complement जो अभी निकाला है. तो 0 1 1 0. Okay, now you add 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry 1. 1 plus, you write down that carry. 1 plus 1 is again 0. Carry 1. So ये 1 में यहाँ लिखो.
1 नीचे आएगा.
So I'm getting a carry. So I'm adding that 1. So when I add that 1, 1 plus 0 is 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 0 is 1 and 0 is 0. So this is the answer, final answer. This one is my final answer. So addition using ones complement, so 1101 and minus 1. So the step clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So जो भी negative number है, अगर उसका magnitude कम है, you find out the ones complement of the number, you add with the original number. You will, if you get a carry, you should be getting a carry, I think. Then
yes,
you add that carry to the last bit. Now, please.
Okay,
so please take care of the carry. Okay. So this is the first case, addition using ones complement, and my answer is number. Okay, because मैं बड़े number से छोटा negative number add कर रही हूँ. So obviously my answer will be a positive one.
Yes, it's a positive. Yes.
Okay, so this is my answer.
Yes.
Now we go to the next one. Case 2 is adding a positive value with a negative value, means in that the negative number has a higher magnitude, means it is 3 plus of minus 5.
Minus 5.
है ना? तो minus 5 means that 5 has a higher value. So अभी यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? Again the first step is same. Whichever is my negative number, I will find out the ones complement of the negative number. This we did it in the last case also. Then what we will do? Add it with the positive number. Okay, now here since my negative number is more, obviously I will not get a carry. Okay, so in this case we did not get a end around carry. Last case we had a carry and we were adding that carry. यहाँ पे since the negative number has higher magnitude, we will not get a carry. So what then we will do? ये जो answer आया add करने के बाद, what we will do is we will take the ones complement of the answer. And that will be my final result. See, last case में we got a carry, okay, and we were adding that carry. Here we are not getting a carry, so वो दो number plus करने के बाद whatever the result I get, I will simply find out the ones complement. It is very easy to find out the ones complement. So that is my final answer. And but remember, the answer is a negative answer because we are adding a more negative number to a positive number. If I am doing 3 plus of minus 5, means my answer is my. Okay, so it is a negative value. So this is the step. So calculate the ones complement of the negative number. You add it with the here you will not get a carry. So what then you will again take the ones complement of the result. You get the final answer and that answer is a negative answer. So simply add a minus sign, or you can just write down this sentence. The answer is has a negative value. Okay, so we'll do one problem.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Suppose I give you a number, same case 1101, and you have to add minus 1110. So here you can see the third bit. You see this number smaller one and this
That is smaller. This is big. Yeah, yeah, ma'am.
it is a bigger number. Okay, so case 2 आ गया because यहाँ पे 3 बार 1 है फिर 0, obviously this value will be more
No.
compare if I convert it into a decimal number. So what I do, this is a negative number. So first step is I find out the ones complement of the negative number. So negative sign को हटा के I convert 1 to 0, 0 to 1. So this becomes 0, 0, 0, 1. Yes. Then I add this positive number with the complemented number. So एक नीचे एक के नीचे एक बिठाओ 1, 1, 0, 1 and you add 0, 0, 0, 1. So 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 1 plus all these two 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Here I am not getting any carry.
No carry. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so since I am not getting any carry, what I will do, I will find out the ones complement of this number. So it is 0, 0, 0, 1.
0, 0, 1.
Yes, and then I will put a negative sign. If you don't,
Negative sign.
just write this and just you have to say it's a negative.
It's a negative
number. Both way, but then you can put. But you have to put it nicely. Otherwise, examiner को लगेगा answer double dot dash is 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Bracket. हाँ. Okay, so this is how you add a positive with a negative number, and the negative number has a higher magnitude. So here you don't carry, and you find out the one.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the last case we will discuss and we will end. So if I add two negative number, okay, so what you will do is, since now here both the numbers are negative, you will find पहले क्या था, एक नंबर नेगेटिव था तो उसका वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट
नेगेटिव वाला बड़ा है.
हाँ, अभी दोनों नंबर नेगेटिव है, means -3 -2. Okay, so here what is you are doing, you are finding out ones complement of both the numbers. Okay, previously there was only one negative number and you used to find out ones complement of that number. Now here both the numbers are negative. So you find out ones complement of both the numbers. Okay, then you add all the numbers, both the numbers. So we always get the end around carry because here you are adding it. So you always end around carry. So which we add to the LSB. So that carry you add to the LSB. After adding that LSB, we take the ones complement of the result. Now here you can see we are combining case 1 and case 2. Case 1 में भी लिख के छोड़ देते थे. Case 2 में we used to find out the ones complement of the result. Here we will do both. Okay, so carry आया तो LSB में add करेंगे and then we will take the ones complement of the result. And since we are adding two negative number, the answer obviously will be negative. So write down this step. Find out ones complement, both the negative numbers, add the number. If we get end around carry, add to the LSB, and then in the end, take the ones complement. Okay. The answer will be a negative answer.
Negative.
Let us see an example. So, and here the question is a little bit different. So adding a two negative number, see what is given in the question is, you are adding -1101 and -1110 in a 5-bit register. Okay. So the register in which you are entering the value, okay, is a 5-bit register. But here there are 4 bits if you see. So आगे 0 लगा दे अगर इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन आया तो. अगर नहीं दिया है तो you go on with 4 bits only, but they are telling you are adding in a 5-bit register. So what should be the position? So don't add a 0 behind, add 0 ahead. So since both the numbers are negative, what I am doing is, first step is I am finding out the ones complement of the negative number. Okay, so यहाँ पे 0 1 1 0 1 है, मैंने एक आगे 0 लगाया है, इधर भी आगे 0 है. 0 1 1 1 0. Okay, so for ones complement we are changing it.
Yeah.
Okay, so 0 1 1 1 0 का क्या हो जाएगा? 1 0 0 1 and 0 1 1 ये गलत है ना? You take this.
1 0 0 1 0 ऐसा है.
Yes, you take that.
1 1 1 0 का हो जाएगा 0 0 0 1.
Then what you do? I think I did a mistake. Then you add it.
Add it 1 0.
Add it. Add both the numbers. Add one below each other. If you are getting a carry, add that in the LSB. And once you have, after adding in the LSB, again take the ones complement.
It's not done. एक ones complement आया, वो ones complement फिर 1 1.
You might get a different value because I think I have done a mistake here.
My value is 1 1 1 0 0.
This one?
After adding the carry. After adding the carry.
After adding that carry and then take the ones after adding that carry, whatever you get, take the ones complement of it.
Yes, ma'am. Then 1 1 1 0 0.
And then a negative sign. And then a negative sign to show that it is a negative number.
Answer is 0 0 1 1.
I'll correct this particular problem in my slide.